In this video, I will show you how to easily add Duolingo widget to home screen. So to get started, go ahead and open your device and click on your home screen and then click on this widgets button at the bottom middle of your screen. Now go ahead and scroll down and look for the Duolingo widgets from the widgets section. So just scroll down until you reach the bottom, and then at the bottom of the widgets you'll find the Duolingo widget. So go ahead and select the widget type that you want to add into your home screen, and then simply place that into the location where you want to place it. And that's basically how you can add Duolingo widget to home screen.